Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ilya Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it, and this is called fraction to recurrent decimal. Given two integers representing the numerator and the numerator of a fraction. Return the fraction in string format. If the fractional part is repeated, enclose the repeated part in parentheses. For example, numerator equals to 1, the numerator equals to 2, output 0.5. Numerator equals to 2, the numerator equals to 1, output 2. There is no fractional part at all. Right here we have numerator which equals to 2, the numerator which equals to 3, so we just return 0.6 because 6 is repeating part. Well, let's start. I'll tell you how to do that. First, you need to check if numerator equals to 0, we can return automatically 0. We create a string builder, new string builder, which will contain the final string. We say result dot append right here we have if numerator is greater than 0, we say XOR bitwise operator. XOR the numerator which is greater than 0, and if it's true, then we just append minus right before the final answer. Otherwise we append nothing. Yeah, so that means that if any of these like numerator or just the numerator is negative, we just append minus. Otherwise we append nothing. Then we need to say result dot append numerator divide by the numerator, right? And before that we say ln numerator equals to math dot absolute value, we cast to ln, right? And right here we say numerator, and we have the same for the numerator. We copy that and paste right there. Yeah, next, after that we should do something like this. We say module equals to the numerator in order to handle fractional part, and right here we can also check if numerator, like the fractional part, equals to 0, that means there is no fractional part. So we just return the result dot to string, right? If it's not, if the number, if that rest, like the fractional part, doesn't equal to 0, then we say result dot append point, and right here we create a map of type long integer, and we say map new hash map of type long and integer, we put into that map like the numerator, right? The rest, like the fractional part, and we put as a value result dot length, the last position, the position of the last character. In order to know which position we can insert the parentheses at, right? So we create a while loop while number doesn't equal to 0, numerator doesn't equal to 0. We say numerator multiply equals by 10, and result append numerator divide by the numerator, and numerator module equals to the numerator. And in the case when this map already contains the key, it contains key numerator, there is already the fractional part into that map. In this case we get an index, get numerator, and we insert at this position of index start of parentheses, and the end of that will be at append at the end of that string, right? So we just say, and we say we break out of this loop. Otherwise, if the fractional part is not repeating, we just need to go on calculating the rest of the fractional part, and we say map dot put numerator and result dot length, right? Finally, just return the result dot to string right here. Let's run this code first. There we go, accepted. Let's submit. Success. Good. So what does it mean, this expression? That means that there are bitwise operators in computer science, right? One of these it's called OR, right? XOR operator, not OR, just XOR operator. If we have the case when we have 0, we do XOR 0, that equals to 0, right? When 1 XOR 1, or just 0, that equals to 1. And in the case when 1 XOR 1, that equals to 0, and we can think about true and false the same, like when 0 equals to false and 1 equals to true respectively, then false XOR false equals to false, true XOR false equals to true, and true XOR true equals to false, right? We can think that I said that 0 something like equals to false, right? And 1 equals to true, right there. So in this case, when like false and false XOR false, when we just return false, we append nothing, right? Something like when we got two positive numerator and denominator are positive. In the case when they're both negative, then we just append nothing again. When one of that is negative, then we append right before the final result minus. In the case when we have module right here, that means that suppose we have 2 module 3 that equals to 2, right? 1 module 3 equals to 1, 3 module 3 equals to 0, right? 4 module 3 equals to 1, 5 module 3 equals to 2, and 6 module 3 equals to 0, and so on and so forth, right? That's it. That's the whole problem. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Follow me on social medias. Again, I do all LeetCode problems. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I wish you all the best. See you.